Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can buy BTC on PayPal. So let's jump right in. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, head to the crypto section. You'll see it on the home page or under the Finances tab at the top. Either option will take you to the crypto dashboard. Now, before you can make a purchase, PayPal might ask you to verify your identity by providing some personal information, like your social security number or a valid ID. This is completely normal for financial transactions involving cryptocurrency. Once that's done, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Click on Bitcoin, and you'll be given several purchase options. You can choose a preset amount or enter a custom one. As you can see here, you can buy Bitcoin with even a small amount. Just enter how much you want to spend and click Next. On the next screen, you'll select your payment method. You can use a linked bank account, add a new one, or simply use your PayPal balance. After that, PayPal will show you a summary of your purchase, the current Bitcoin exchange rate, how much you're buying, the transaction fee, and the total cost. Keep in mind there is a fee for buying crypto on PayPal, but the platform does give you a clear breakdown before you confirm anything. For example, as shown here, regardless of whether you're purchasing a small or larger amount, the fee may remain the same, so sometimes buying a bit more gives you better value. Once you're ready, just click Buy Now.